Hello, Multi-Tech.
Is that Barry? The Barry?
What do you want now, Dave?
Boy, have I got a project for you.
Another one of your stupid ideas?
Well, you know that the van's nearly 20 years of age and it's just about to approach 200,000 miles. I thought now's the time that maybe we should restore it.
Why don't you just scrap it?
Look, you know I am not going to scrap it. I'm going to be buried in that thing. And I haven't even got to the best bit yet. It's got to be done in 2 weeks.
2 weeks? Are you having a laugh? We might share the same yard, Dave, but we definitely don't share the same deadline expectations. If we're going to be doing something like this, please tell me we're changing the colour.
No, it's staying factory OEM silver.
You're wasting my time.
Barry? Barry?
Yeah, sounds great. Can't wait.
So even though I've owned this van for the last 20 years and know it inside out, what I didn't expect was the van itself to rust inside out. Once we removed the rear arch trims, we actually found the inner arch metal had rotted right through. And the only way to make this better and factory as again was to replace the metal and factory seal it and repaint it. Big reveal.
Nice bit of stretch.
Just a smidge.
Yeah.
actually looks really good. Happy boy?
Yes.
Oh, here we go. I have to pixelate that, ain't I?
You ain't gonna want anyone to drive it again, are you? It's gonna be like the old days.
Your batteries, Mum.
Or else.
What a view! Really good in 4K on my computer.
Make sure that the bolt's at the top. It's a regulated thing, the bolt's at the top, which means when I put the wheels on and there's space like that, everything's in the line like that.
Oh, okay. Whoa!
You want to see that?
Yes, I am. I definitely filmed it. That actually looks really good.
How's it that low? It's only supposed to be 50.
That is not 50. That is not a 15mm drop.
Oh, that looks sick. That's actually a nice surprise.
Look, you got a proper good bit of poke.
So if anyone needs to know, after a bit of research, the front spring replacement is actually from a 1.4 Corsa C SXI, and the rear springs are from an Astra G convertible, which some impressive person before me has actually managed to work that out. And yeah, it makes a difference to how it looks. It's not much better anymore.
It's quite firm.
I mean, there's some steering turn.
Nah, that won't rub. That'd be really nice. That'd be so nice to drive. I'd be surprised. What do you think, Gail?
And thanks.
Approuvé.
That's alright. Yeah,
So Barry, did we make the 2-week time frame?
Well, we tried to, but unfortunately Dave side-quested and got involved in other more important things apparently.
No.
It's still a 200,000 mile combo, worth £500.
But it's a mint 200,000 mile combo.
Yeah, it is the cleanest one you're ever going to find.
Yeah.
You can take it to shows now. Best fitment!
Can you though, Dave? Can you do the interior in 2 weeks? Nope.
Does it need a new interior?
Standard.
Yep.
So thank you for watching our video of the complete restoration of the 2005 Vauxhall Combo. Now you may wonder, why would I restore a 20-year-old van with 200,000 miles? Being honest, purely for sentimental reasons. It's the longest vehicle I've owned, and this thing's even driven to Munich, even Le Mans, with a sewing machine in the back to carry out work. It's part of me and it's part of the work life, and I think it deserved it. I'd like to thank Barry of Multi-Tech and Darren for all the work they put into the Combo van, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.
Alright boys, checking out the new Hawkeye 52 ride, yeah?
God.
See the old I think they're called bro wheels or something, bros. Yeah, boater, sorry, yeah, boaters I bought, yeah. Static, it's not on the old up and down as it is, you know. What do you reckon? Tidy?
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, bro.
Proper scene.
Yeah, scene dad, that's what they call me.
No way, scene dad.
No way, scene dad, yeah.
No way.
52, scene dad, whatever you want. Cool as that.